Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about the National Flood Insurance Program, confusion when it comes to switching. We want to talk about 3 questions. First of all, can you switch? When can you switch? And should you switch? So let's talk about these 3 questions. First of all, can you switch? Well, switching out of the National Flood Insurance Program has got a lot of restrictions. It may depend on your bank. If you don't have a mortgage at all, shouldn't have a problem at all, switching out of that. If you do have a mortgage, generally if you have an FHA loan, you're going to be required to carry flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. If you have a conventional loan, a USDA, VA, or really any other loan, you should be able to switch out of it. So when can you switch? Well, as I said, FEMA's got strict guidelines when it comes to this. So generally with FEMA, the only time that you can switch is right before renewal. Now, if it's one day after your renewal, FEMA won't allow you to cancel that policy for another year. So it's very important that if you're switching from the National Flood Insurance Program to a private market, that your policy is in place. We recommend at least the day before. Don't do it the day of, just to be on the safe side, but do it the day before. So should you switch? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for and the kind of situation you're coming out of. For example, if you've had a couple claims on your property, switching to the private market may not be a good fit for you because a lot of private flood insurance companies either won't take you or they're going to charge you a lot more because of those claims, where the National Flood Insurance Program might actually be beneficial for you more if you've had more than one flood loss. The other thing is, if you're in a preferred area, like a flood zone X, it may be more beneficial for you to stay in the National Flood Insurance Program because of their ratings. So these are some things to think about when it comes to should you switch though. But maybe you're looking for higher coverages like $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. Then the private market could be very beneficial to you. So then yes, and switching in that situation might be very beneficial. So, as I said, today we wanted to talk about the National Flood Insurance Program. We wanted to answer the 3 questions. Can you switch? When should you switch? And should you switch? So, if you've got questions about switching from the National Flood Insurance Program to the private market, and answering these questions, please reach out to us. floodinsuranceguru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we answer these flood questions every day. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, so we can help you understand flood risk, like this one right here on the Savannah River, your flood insurance options, and mitigating your property long-term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.